Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Azahra Ramadhani with NIM 4425001. So here I will explain my part 1 assessment about my opinion of result Indonesia versus Bahrain on October 2024. Why didn't the Indonesian national team win against Bahrain? Indonesia failed to win against Bahrain after scoring an equalizer outside injury time. Indonesia had actually led 2-1 at the end of normal time. Referee Ahmed Alkaf at 6 minutes of injury time, but still Indonesia maintains its lead. However, the referee still allowed the match to continue beyond the injury time given, and Bahrain was able to equalize through the last chance score by Mohamed Mahrun in the 99 minutes as Bahrain savior. And how can a match take so long? Because even before the goal was 2-2, a number of violence had already occurred where the match to have watch time, and before the match had even started for a minute, 2 players had already fallen on the field. Many Bahrain players play rugby and control the tempo to watch time. Bahrain players show rough play, such as Ali Haram hard tackle on Kelvin Verdonk. And it was from this tackle incident that the Bahrain players received a yellow card and triggered tension and physical altercation during the match. Malik Rizaldi collided head with Bahrain players, which result in him having to receive special treatment due to a fairly serious injury to his temple, which was torn and bleeding. So this is portrait of Malik Rizaldi when he was injured on the field, like this and this. Oh my god, so scared. And this is my opinion. This match was considered invalid with the 2-2 goal score in the final minute of the match, because the time announced was only 6 minutes of additional time, but the Bahrain players scored a goal in the 99 minute. Why can I say the match was unfair? Not only because the goal was scored in the 99 minute, but the referee, Ahmed Alkaf, also did not check VAR when many Bahrain players were playing rugby and wasting time. And for the conclusion is, wherever and whenever you play a match, you must play honestly, not cheat in the match, and not take side with anyone. And please don't use violence and always play supportive by not doing things that shouldn't be done in the match. So this is for the part 1 of my assessment about my opinion of result Indonesia versus Bahrain. And next I will explain for the part 2 assessment about the question word. So this is for the part 2 of my assessment about the question word. What is question word? The question word is the question word that is used to ask something or form a question that is used to ask about time, reason, place, object, or person. Function of question word. The function of this question word is to ask certain things and get more specific answer, not just yes or no. What are the things included in question word? Question word include words that usually start with WH words, such as what, where, when, why, who, and how. Besides that, there are also have whose, whom, and which. Okay, for the one is what. What is question word used to ask about object, activities, or concepts that occur or are involved in a particular event, activity, or context. Its function is to obtain information about a particular object, activity, or concept in a conversation or situation. For the example, a woman asks a man, "What time is it?" Like, excuse me, what time is it now? It's 3 o'clock. Thank you, you're welcome. See, the woman asked for the man, what time is it now? And where? Where is the question word used to ask about the location or place where an event occurred in a conversation or situation. For example, when someone asks for an address on their cell phone. Excuse me, where is the address? Oh, you just need to follow this main road and it will be on the left. Thank you. Welcome. And when? When is a question word used to ask about the time or period of time in which an event occurred. Its function is to obtain information about a specific time or period. Example is dialogue of Andin and Nina, and then Leo and Cancer. Andin, Nina, when's your birthday? My birthday is on the 26th of this month. Oh my god, that's coming up soon. Yes, that's right. Come to my birthday party. Of course. And Leo and Cancer is, when are you going on holiday, sir? I'm going on holiday next month. Really? That's be really fun. Yes, I can't wait to go on holiday too. And then the next is why. This word is used to ask about the reason behind an event, action, occurrence, or situation. So when we want to know why something happened or why someone did something, we can ask why. Example is dialogue for Baas and Bai. Bai, why are you late to class? My motorbike broke down, so I had to walk. Oh no, you can come home with me, okay? Really? Okay, thanks. And then who? Who is a question word used to ask about the identity of a person or group of people involved in a particular event, activity, or context. For the example, is dialogue for Giselle and Sinta. Who's your favorite actor? My favorite actor is from Korea. His name is Park Seo-joon. Wow, I've seen his movie. He's real cool. That's right, he's very handsome. Next, how. How is a word used to ask about the manner or process of how an event or action is carried out. Its function is to obtain information about the method or procedures involved. For the example is dialogue Jua and Lina. Lin, how do you make the sponge cake you made yesterday? I learned from my mom. I follow the recipe she gave me. Mix everything and then bake it in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius. Can I learn to make it with you too? Of course, Jua. Next, whose. Whose is a question word used to ask about ownership or who owns a particular object or thing. The example, whose idea was it to organize the event? Whose car is parked outside? And then whom. Whom is a question word used to ask about the person who is the object in a sentence. Whom helps us determine the relationship between the subject and object in a sentence. For example, like, whom are you waiting for? With whom did you go to the concert? And the last is which is a question word that helps us choose between several options. Its function is to ask for information about a particular choice from a number of available options, such as which color do you prefer, blue or green? And which movie did you watch last night? Like that. So for the conclusion is, question words are the most basic way to ask questions to elicit more specific answer in various aspects, whether it's about place, times, object, or person. Proper use helps conversation become more effective and structured, and allows us to obtain the details we need from the other person. And that's all for me of my assessment about my opinion of result Indonesia versus Bahrain and topic of the question word. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.